Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw the flag of Philippines here. You can see the whole country flag. It has a rectangular shape. Now we can divide in the middle and make the basic outlines for the shades, and let's start the drawing here. So on the right side it has two different colors. One is blue and another one is red. That's why we're putting the red outlines here and connect. It has a triangle at the left side. All right, let's making the triangle. All right, now you can see that there's a symbol on the left side of this flag and it's like the sunshine. So let's put a circle at this point, and it has a shining effect on the sides. It's like the bright sun. Okay, all right. And a star you can see on the three corners. Okay, so from the drawing you can see the symbols is already done. Now I'm going to fill up the red color here, and we're going to put a solid color. This is the flag of Philippines. All right, the color is going on. Okay, so the bottom part is done very nicely. Now we're going to fill up the top portion with a blue color, which is going to be the dark blue color. Let's put the color now. All right, all right. So the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video, and this is a very simple and easy drawing. Mostly it has a nice shapes you can see. Let's put it into effect like this here, otherwise it's not clear. All right, so it's like a circle here and some points you can see. All right. Okay, so the flag of Philippines is here. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.